chased you in. I saw this. Can I get in?
Sure.
Oh, not many times you get to just hang out in the back of the truck.
That's true.
Ah. Brian.
Brian Kendall.
Kendall. So what is your theme here? We're like in a tiki lounge.
Yeah, that's true.
This is kind of nice.
Thank you. This is a 1947 Dodge pickup truck. A little bit of a Frankenstein because it's got a 48 bed and a 39 dash, so it's kind of pieced together.
So from a distance, I actually thought it was, you know, kind of a period restored truck. But then when you get up close, you're like, this thing has a lot of funny, funky, artistic touches to it. It's got like tiki doll skirts that are on the shifter, they're on the brake. Oh my God, it's got a clear floor. Ah, whoa.
I put in a glass floor because I was told it wouldn't work and it would be oily and sooty, and I think I cleaned it once in 2 years.
You know, I'm gonna critique your wiring a little bit. What's this wire? We're gonna have to work on that one.
And I enjoy seeing the road go by.
What is this pattern? It's got this really cool kind of space invaders or something. Did you cover it, or did you have some?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you did it?
Yeah, the door panels, actually all the paneling, I got rid of the cardboard, which was stock, and
just
I went
crap.
with aluminum panel. And
Good idea. Don't use cardboard on your door panels.
Well, the ceiling too. I mean, all the headliners in the cars back then were just cardboard.
What do you do for work?
I was an architect, but I'm retired now, so
Okay.
I play with toys.
Man, it's a good life.
Yeah, it is.
If this
Thank
is
you.
the way you do a car, I want to see some of the houses you did. I bet they were pretty interesting.
Yeah, some of them, but you still have clients telling you
That pay the bills.
to pay the bills, right?
I can't wait to see what they have in store for us today. Whoa, this is a bit overwhelming when you first walk in.
I think we have 134 years worth of automobiles in here.
This is amazing.
So while we do pay tribute to our Porsche cars and really get in depth with what happened with Porsche, one of the main things that we focus on is what we call our Forerunners Gallery, and those are our earliest cars, mainly open-wheel race cars. You know, we start with our Peugeot here. That car actually competed in the world's first ever sanctioned automobile race.
Really? You know, just the change in design from looking at this to this Peugeot here, it blows you away. 1895 and 1914, look at the design change.
What the charlatans of Peugeot were able to design and put together in this car, it's really the grandfather of all race cars and high-performance cars.
And then you have this design. This is very unusual.
So this is Harry Miller's first car. It's called the Golden Submarines in 1917, the world's first enclosed cockpit race car. It's one of the few replica cars we have, but it's actually built to Harry Miller's specifications. Harry Miller was kind of an automotive savant, automotive genius. Originally started making carburetors, but he went on to build some of the greatest racing cars ever built. So a Miller-powered car won the Indy 500 12 out of 17 years in the 20s and 30s.
Oh, I love the display here where you've got it on the
Yeah, we've got to show
the bricks.
the bricks at Indy.
What kind of speed?
It'd go about 145 miles an hour.
I'm not.
No.
I can't even begin to imagine doing 145 miles an hour with that high center of gravity. That has to be frightening to go 145 in that.
Tiny and crazy is what I say.
Oh, boy. And then you come to some real sophistication. And look at the styling on this Alpha.
Our 2.9 Alpha,
Whoa.
which is probably the most beautiful car in the building just in terms of lines and
Just
styling.
the lines on it are magnificent.
It's a Superleggera, supercharged. It was really built for racing. This is one that turns heads no matter if you love cars or not. Everyone comes to this.
This is the one that I would take home. When you look at the lines on it, I can understand why so many manufacturers copied the styling all the way through the 50s.
So that pretty much covers what we have here, but there's more on the other side.
There's another side?
Absolutely. I have someone waiting to show you.